Hello and welcome to today's episode. If you are listening right now, chances are you want to improve your English speaking skills, but you feel like you don't have enough time. Or maybe you are not sure where to start. Well, you are in the right place. In this episode, we are going to talk about a very simple, very practical method to improve your English just by listening for 20 minutes a day. That's it, 20 minutes. No stress, no heavy grammar books, no long boring lectures, just a daily habit that can completely transform your English over time. So, let's dive right now. Why listening first? Before we talk about the routine, let's ask an important question. Why focus on listening? The truth is, listening is the foundation of language learning. Think about how babies learn their mother tongue. They don't open grammar books or memorize word list. They just listen day after day, month after month. Slowly, their brain starts recognizing patterns, words, and meaning. Eventually, speaking comes naturally. It's the same for English. If you want to speak fluently, you need to hear the language enough times. The more you listen, the more your brain understands how English sounds, how sentences are structured, and how words are naturally connected. Before you start listening, get into the right mindset. Think of this like stretching before exercise. Take 2 minutes to prepare. Sit in a quiet place, put your headphones on, tell yourself for the next 20 minutes, I am just going to listen. I don't need to understand everything, I just need to focus. This small mental shift makes a big difference. Now spend the next 10 minutes listening to something carefully. This could be a short podcast, a YouTube video, or even an audiobook. But here is the key: choose something that is interesting to you and not too difficult. During active listening, do three things: focus on the sounds, pay attention to pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Try to catch familiar words. Don't worry if you miss some. Repeat short phrases aloud. Shadow the speaker if you can. For example, if you hear, I don't have much time today, try to repeat it immediately after the speaker. This will improve your speaking naturally. After 10 minutes of active listening, it's time to relax. Put on some English audio and just let it play in the background for 5 minutes. You don't have to focus too much, just let your ears absorb the sounds. This is called passive listening. It trains your brain to get comfortable with English without pressure. It also builds familiarity and with how English flows in real life. You could listen while you are making tea, stretching, or just sitting back. Finally, spend the last 3 minutes reflecting. Ask yourself, what new words or phrases did I notice? Could I repeat at least one sentence I heard? How did I feel while listening? Write down one new word or phrase in a notebook. Just one is enough. Over time, this small step creates a big collection of vocabulary you will actually remember. And that's it, 20 minutes done. How this routine helps you. Now, you might ask, can 20 minutes really make a difference? Yes, absolutely. Let's see why. Consistency beats intensity. Studying for 3 hours once a week is not as effective as 20 minutes every day. Your brain learns better with small, regular practice. Improved pronunciation. By listening and repeating, you will naturally start copying the accent and flow of native speakers. Better vocabulary in context. Instead of memorizing word list, you will hear words in real sentences. This makes them easier to understand and use. Less stress, more fun. Because it's short and simple, you won't feel overwhelmed, and when learning feels easy, you will keep going. Tips to make it work. Let me share some extra tips to make your 20 minutes listening routine even more powerful. Choose topics you love. If you like sports, listen to sports podcasts. If you enjoy cooking, listen to English recipe videos. Interest keeps you motivated. Listen to different accents. English is spoken in many ways: American, British, Australian, Indian. Don't limit yourself. Exposure to different accents improve your understanding. Use subtitles wisely. The first time, try listening without subtitles. The second time, use subtitles to check what you missed. Repeat content. Don't always look for new materials. Listening to the same short audio multiple times help you understand deeply. Track your progress. Note the date and what you listened to. Looking back after a month will show you how much you have improved. To make it even clearer, here is what one session might look like. Put on headphones, prepare your mind, listen to a short English podcast episode, pause and repeat sentences, play English audio in the background while relaxing, write down one new phrase, repeat it loud, and finish. See, it's that simple. Improving your English doesn't have to be complicated or time consuming. You don't need hours of study or expensive courses. All you need is 20 minutes a day of focused listening. So, starting today, commit to your 20-minute listening routine. Make it part of your daily life, like brushing your teeth or having your morning tea. With consistency and patience, your English will grow stronger day by day. Thank you for listening to today's episode. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on English learning and share this routine with a friend who also wants to improve their English. Until next time, keep listening, keep practicing, and keep growing. Bye for now.